Today we are at Slide Park for a quick camping trip to test out the Nomad cooking system and kettle from Stoke Voltaics. In the interest of full disclosure, the products were provided free of charge, but the opinions in this video are my own. Slide Park is located in the Sierra Nevada next to Jenkinson Lake. There are large campgrounds and plenty of room for water activities in the summer. They are also open in the winter, so I'm sure we'll be back in a few months. As usual, a list of our camping gear can be found in the description below. After watching the video, you can use the code CHARGETHATGO with the link in the description for 10% off your purchase. Thank you for always supporting our channel. Now back to the video. Earlier today, we stopped by the lake to get some paddleboarding time. It was pretty windy, so we both had a workout paddling around. Let's get started with a quick unboxing of the cookware and kettle. The kettle comes with the kettle itself, power cable, and a lid. The fabric sleeve on the outside was a nice touch to prevent any accidental burns. The Nomad cooking system came with a heating element base, pan, pot, lid, detachable handle, and power cable. At first glance, I noticed how easy it was to attach and detach the cookware from the base. The detachable handle is great for saving space as well. Let's get straight into cooking. Today's menu is steak, mac and cheese, and salad. The Nomad cooking system has a maximum power of 1000 watts, while the kettle goes up to 500 watts. This is actually perfect for Rivian owners since the R1S and R1T can handle up to 1500 watts.
Gonna need some lactate, huh?
Next up is the steak. I was worried that 1000 watts wasn't enough power, but I think it did a good job.
Ooh.
Sun's almost down, so it's time for a campfire and some dessert. The kettle has 3 modes: drink, cook, and pop. Drink mode heats up to a rolling boil, cook mode reaches boiling temperature then switches to simmer mode, and pop mode is for making popcorn. I've never seen a kettle with a popcorn mode, so we'll definitely have to try it next time. We used the drink mode to make some hot chocolate to enjoy in front of the fire. We've only used a household electric kettle in the past, and while it boils water just fine, that's all it can do. We're excited to use the new kettle to not only make drinks, but to make some soups and even popcorn. So far, we've used a combination of induction cooktop, stainless steel cookware, griddle, pressure cooker, and cast iron on our camping trips. They all serve their own purpose and work well at specific cooking styles. The only issues with using multiple cooking systems are their bulkiness and power consumption. Induction cooktop with stainless steel cookware best imitates home cooking, but they are hard to clean and we've accidentally tripped the breaker on the R1S a couple times. The griddle is versatile, but it can have uneven heat distribution and honestly overkill for smaller recipes. The pressure cooker is great at what it does, but can be limited on what recipes we can cook. The cast iron is best for cooking on a fire, but we can't always start fires depending on where we are. When you start bringing 2 or more of these appliances, they become bulky and hard to organize and transport. Also, we can only use 1 appliance at a time because of their larger power draw and the limitation of 1500 watt from the R1S. Unless we are cooking for more than 2 people and need very specific tools for the job, an all-in-one system is best for camping. We're happy to say that the Nomad cooking system will be our go-to for camping with the R1S for its versatility and small footprint. Can we do much more if we brought all our cooking gear all the time? Sure. But we think that the best tool for the job is the tool that you like bringing with you. Also, the fact that both the Nomad cooking system and the kettle adds up to 1500 watts is a big plus as an R1S owner. As always, thanks for watching. If you're interested in the Nomad cooking system and kettle, check them out with the link below and don't forget to use the code CHARGESETGO.